Hey everyone, welcome back. Finally, Hot Wheels has showcased some new upcoming cars from Fast and Furious set. A custom Acura Integra sedan GSR, a Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL, a Porsche 911 Carrera RS 3.8, a Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43, a Land Rover Defender 90, new upcoming premium box set has a team transport GRedddy. Cars in this set are a Fleet Street, a Pandem Subaru BRZ, a Nissan Maxima drift car, and a custom Datsun 240Z. New upcoming has a Reservoirs, a time machine with Marty normal version and a dog chase version. Now let's check out some lineups of new upcoming mainline cars. So check out a sneak peek of these cars. A Hot Wheels NFT Garage, a Lamborghini Veneno. Collect all 19 virtual collectibles to get your hands on an exclusive Lamborghini Veneno diecast. For more info, check out the links in the description. Now let's check out a basic version of a Fast and Furious as a Dominic Toretto cars. A 1995 Mazda RX-7, a 1970 Chevelle SS, a W Motors Lycan Hypersport, a 1950 Chevy Fleetline, and a 1968 Dodge Charger. Now let's check out a new upcoming Zamac box set. Includes 6 cars. A Volkswagen Caddy, a custom 1972 Chevy Love, a 1967 Austin Mini Pickup, a 1983 Chevy Silverado, a 1975 Datsun Sunny Truck B120, and a custom 1993 Nissan Hardbody D21. Now let's check out some upcoming mainline cars. So our regular treasure hunt for an upcoming case is a Purple Passion. A tuned Mazda RX-3, a Corvette C6, a 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a 52 Chevy, and a Fiat 500e. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications so you can get further more updates. See you next time.